Hi, in this video I would like to show you how you can upload your file to your Type 86 dashboard. So once you've logged into your account, you have an option to upload. So click on this button. And now you'll basically see different upload options, including the Type 86 upload option. So if you would like to upload your Type 86 data only, you can select this option and upload data from file. Select your file. And now the first thing you will see is the mapping tool. So this is a great tool to use if you would like to use your own template, and what you can do is you can map your columns to our columns. If any columns haven't mapped correctly, you can select the correct one here. But since I'm using our own template, I don't have to go through this step. I can go ahead and click review since all my columns have been mapped correctly. And here you will see your data in this table. So if you need to change anything, you can go ahead and change it here. And then you can also check if you have any issues with your data here. So I don't have any issues. I can go ahead and click continue and then click yes to submit. And now I've uploaded my Type 86 data to my Type 86 dashboard. So you can see I've uploaded 4 house bills, and the system generated 4 entry numbers for them as well. So once you're ready to send it to CBP, you can go ahead and select all of them and click send to send it to CBP. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thanks very much for watching.